What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, like, subscribe, hit that bell so whenever I post a video you will be notified. Guys, today's video is about Doordash schedule and how to pick up shifts. A while ago I did a similar video on skip the dishes. I'll leave a link down below. You guys could check that out if you want to. A few reasons why I'm doing a video on Doordash schedule. One of my subscriber comment down below, hey, do a video on Doordash schedule. And another reason is to help all the new gig workers who is starting on the platform, gig workers who still deciding, who is in the process of joining the platform. The more information I could put out there for free to help you guys, to help the gig world, all you have to do, subscribe. Okay? So here we go. Doordash Early Access Scheduling. What is Early Access? Early Access Scheduling is a program that allows qualified Dashers to access the Dasher schedule 6 days in advance, beginning at 3 p.m. each day. For example, if you qualify for early access on Friday at 3 p.m., you would be able to see the next Thursday Dasher schedule. The program is now active across the US and Canada. How do I qualify? There are two ways to qualify for early access. Number one, you qualify if you have a customer rating of at least 4.6, a completion rate of at least 95%, and have accept and complete at least 5 deliveries on the Doordash platform between 12 a.m. the previous Friday and 11:59 the previous Thursday. And number two, how to qualify? You qualify if you have a customer rating of at least 4.6, a completion rate of at least 95%, and have accepted and complete at least 500 lifetime deliveries on the Doordash platform. What happens if I don't qualify? If you have not qualified for the early access, the following week you will be able to access the Doordash schedule 5 days in advance, beginning at 12 a.m. every day. For example, if you not qualify for early access on Saturday at 12 a.m., you will be able to see the next Thursday Dasher schedule. Qualification based on complete deliveries accepted between 12 a.m. Friday and 11:59 p.m. Thursday. Why can't I see the schedule 6 days out if I qualify for early access? Early access qualifying Dashers are refreshed every Friday, and qualification will last through the following Thursday. If you qualify midweek, you will not be added into the program until Friday. There may be no available slots on the schedule in your area. In some markets, the schedule can be filled up within a few minutes of being released.
To make as much money as possible, it's important to understand how the Dash Now and Schedule features work. Let's start by reviewing the Dash Now feature. The simplest way to start a Dash is to tap Dash Now. With the Dash Now feature, you can start dashing and earning money right away. You'll see the Dash Now option whenever there are enough orders for more Dashers to sign online. The map will be red or pink, which signals the starting point is busy. Typically, you'll see Dash Now available during peak lunch and dinner hours when order demand is highest. If the Dash Now button is not available, that means there are already enough Dashers online. To reserve your preferred schedule, use the Schedule feature. To schedule a Dash, navigate to the Schedule tab. The Schedule feature allows you to choose the times you dash up to 5 days in advance. Schedules can become available at any point. Select the day you would like to schedule a Dash and find your preferred starting point and start time. If your preferred time is not shown, that means there are already enough Dashers scheduled during that time slot. If your preferred time is available, tap the time slot and select your start and end time. Start and end times can be set in 30-minute blocks. Tap Save Dash. That's it. You're now scheduled to dash in your chosen starting point during your chosen day and time. In order to start your scheduled dash, simply be in your scheduled starting point and hit the Dash Now button. The Dasher Help Center has more in-depth information on planning or changing the time of your dash.
Here we go, 2:59. Shift's gonna release at 3 p.m. every day. 1 more minute to go. Here we go, Monday. I'm working the West Zone. So I always pick from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's a busy time in my zone. See it added on top there, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Go back to West. And I'll pick from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's busy in the evening. And it's central. Sometimes I try to pick up a late shift or early morning. You see it's all gone. No morning shift is available. For my zone, the shift doesn't go that fast compared to central. This is the busy zone, central. I have 2 shifts, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's 8 hours, 4 hours lunch, 4 hours evening. And this is my full week of schedule. This is Tuesday, 4:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. So I pick up a late shift from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. Sometimes after 9 p.m. there's a promotion of $3. Another late shift there from 4 p.m. to midnight. On Friday, 4 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. On Saturday and Sunday I don't work evenings. More of like 2 hours in the night, 7:30, 8:30 to 9:30. And Sunday a night shift, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So that's about it. You guys see how the schedule work and how to pick up shifts. Early access. Do I'm qualified for early access? This is my ratings. So guys, I hope this information helped you. If you're a new gig worker or a gig worker who want to join the Doordash platform and you want to know how the schedule work, now you know. Also, I want to give you guys a heads up. You could start 15 minutes early on your shifts. Say your shift start at 10 a.m. You could log in at 9:45 a.m. and start. Take full advantage of that 15 minutes. You might get 1 order. You never know, right? So make more money. Okay? So that's it for the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to help grow the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.